What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today on the agenda, y'all see, man, the plan is to shake Big Dolo down, man. I'm doing the intro in the garage right now because it's a little chilly. It's a little chilly, man, but the sun's supposed to come out. And we're gonna get to it when the sun come out. Like I said, I'm gonna get wifey to record everything and get the outside footage, cause y'all know just the other day, man, I laid down a personal best, and boy, I hate I didn't catch no footage of that, man. I really do hate I didn't catch no footage of it. I'm gonna be shooting multiple videos today, cause we're supposed to have, like I said, some sunshine just early. Right now, man, it's cold out there, but I said let me go ahead and get the intro done. And yeah, soon as that sun come out, man, we probably gonna just jump straight into it, and all of that. I hope I remember I need to, right now I'm putting in my mind, change the battery on the GoPro, But anyway, either way it go, man, after that, we're going to just jump straight into the shakedown, because I plan on shaking the Joker down 2 times. I got something else I want to try, man, but y'all going to get to see the outside footage. And I get to see how this thing going to move, too. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm going to turn y'all on in a minute. Or better yet, I'll just see y'all in the car, man. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, look at this, man. So look, y'all saw we went straight into the shakedown. And look, I meant to tune in. I'm gonna tell you what happened. I'm gonna tell y'all what happened between, and it didn't rain, man. It was crazy. It was crazy. It was pretty, the sun was out. It still feel good out here. It still feel good. We got a quick shower though, it done wet it up good. But it still feel good. Y'all see, ain't got no coat or nothing on. But I told y'all we're going to jump straight to it, which dealt my plan. Put the GoPro in the car, forgot to change the battery. Man, as soon as I hit that button, that joker said, D. I said, man, come on with the game, man. Come on with the game. So I ain't have no GoPro footage on y'all. That's why it wasn't no talking. It was just jump straight into the pad, because I was going to be talking to y'all through the GoPro. And man, y'all missed my reaction and everything, because this joker here, it put it down, man. Them shock adjustments I done made, and I made one more adjustment. Boy, it's amazing. It has done wonders. It has done wonders. Like I said, I looked at the footage. It looked good on camera too. I don't know what it looked like to y'all, but this big old joker here, is on one now. It is on one, man. So I hate it done wetted it up. I hate it wetted up so good, man. I mean, it was sunny. It was sunny, man. I hate it wetted up today. Like I actually, like I said, I done shot multiple video today, so I'm gonna have to go close y'all out on the other video. So, well, anyway, I can't believe, man, I had other plans, man. They what got me discombobulated. But the rain, it was a quick shower too. Like, it didn't last long. It just wetted up good. And now the time, man, y'all know it be getting dark. And this road ain't gonna dry. Like I said, it's a good day. It was pretty and stuff, man. But the main thing was to show y'all the outside of the big joker, man. I want to see. If you didn't pay attention, if you didn't pay attention, go back and look at the, hold on, let me see. Matter of fact, let me see something. I want y'all to see the back tire. Look at the clearance of the back tire, so you can understand travel. So look, y'all see that? Now look at it good now. Right now, you can't see the top of that tire. The top of that tire is hid, pretty much. So make note. Now I just showed you that. So the top of that tire is hid. Now go back, rewind the past, the shakedown. The first one where you probably gonna see it the best, cause the second one was a flyby. But rewind and look at where that tire is right here. Look at where this tire is while it's under acceleration, and so you can see the travel, how the car just slowly travel. And the tires, we went back. I didn't record it. Well, I went back. Wifey didn't. I went back to check the lines. It didn't even leave no lines on the ground. It spun. It was on the tires. You can probably hear it a little bit. That's why I hate the GoPro. You could have really heard it, but it said. Then it went on. It did not leave any lines on the ground. That's exactly what I wanted. So what happened when I made the adjustment, it took some of the hit off of the tire. It made power, so it still spins, but that shows that it took some of the initial bite off the tire. I had a lot of bite, cause when I would leave at first with the previous shock settings, that joker would leave some lines on the ground. Now I could get it out and still lay it down, but it would leave some lines on the ground. Now I changed and adjusted the shocks. Now it just it's moving, and the 60 got better. The 60 foot got better because it took some of the hit off the tire, man. It took some of the hit off the tire, so now it ain't even leaving lines, man. It ain't even leaving lines. Like, look, probably just left dust out there, but they got blew away. But it was no lines at all on the ground, even though it was kind of hazing. Even though it hazed the tires lightly, man. So this just goes to show. It just goes to show, like, what you can do, man, with shocks, like some good shocks, and then learning the mechanics of them, the mechanics of the tire you're racing on, and all of that. Cause y'all gotta think now. I'm really anxious. I want to take this car to the track, cause it honest to God, I had a goal I was shooting for on motor. I have achieved that. I achieved that a while back on motor. I never made a full backdoor hit on nitrous. At least not at the track. I never made a full backdoor hit on the gas. But now that I kind of turned it up on the radials, now I'm finna be primarily just running on the 26 car until I get the rear end done for this one. Then I come back and revisit the radials and turn it up and really run it out the back door on the radials when I get the rear end. But for right now, we're gonna be on the 6s, and now it's time to start the second phase of things, which is applying more power and getting it to really get out there on the nitrous. Cause I got the motor part in the bag. Now I'm just gonna take it, and since I've adjusted the shock better, I'm gonna take it and run a new personal best at the track on motor. Cause whatever apply to what you do in the road, it's gonna apply to the track. It's just that the 60 gonna go down even farther at the track, so it's gonna drop off. It's gonna drop off quite a few numbers on motor alone, and y'all see that. Y'all, I don't know if y'all noticed. If you didn't notice, go back and look. Y'all didn't hear no busting up, no. You didn't hear none of that. You didn't hear none of that, man. That was costing me time too on the motor. Y'all didn't hear none of that. No hesitation in the second and third shifts. So, man, we plan on taking it to the track this week, man. Me and little bro, we're gonna take it to the track this week, man. And if we get some hard tie action, we're gonna do that too. Cause that's why I haven't showed my time on these 6s or showed my time on motor out of respect for people. But I never ran anybody on nitrous, on the slick, on a radio. So that's why I gave y'all that much. but I ain't gonna show y'all the time on motor on the radio, not just yet, until probably a few months down the line, depending on how certain people move. Then I might, but it's just out of respect for them. But I haven't showed the time on 26 because I ain't ran enough in my eye. I ain't ran enough. I ain't got no smoke yet. But when these events pop up, like especially Stunt Fair, I think Stunt Fair be the first one. When Stunt Fair pop up, I'm up in there. I'm in there. I'm gonna bring this one on the rim, and Meat's gonna be on the radio. Cause this on the rim, Meat's on the radio. Then we'll take the rest on just for show, just for people to check out. I'm gonna bring the whole fleet. I'm bringing the whole fleet, man. Stunt Fair. I'm gonna get me get one of my buddies with this 5-6 car hauler coming up in there. Peace of mind for me too. I won't have to worry about hauling nothing. I might have another whip by then. Who knows? I might have another one. Or wifey might have another one. I don't know. But we coming up in there. But y'all gonna have a track video coming with DOLO on that bottle. We're gonna lay that joker down, man. I plan on getting some top end footage too. And I plan on laying it down on the gas, man. Cause I got the power management. I got an idea of a couple of tune-ups I'm gonna put in there to get it to go down. I'm gonna do an 80B on the rims, and then I got one that I'm gonna really roll it in there. I got a feeling it's gonna work. But yeah, man, that's what it is. So you know, y'all got to see that. I'm trying to kind of teach y'all at the same time the mechanics of the shocks. I can't give you the exact setting because, like I said, it's a different shock, different valve. You might have QA1, you might have Mensers, AFCOs. The valve gonna be different. You might have Crusaders or Warriors, Vikings. Your car way different. You might be on 24, might be on 22. Different tire, different thickness. So it's a lot of variables. But I got a car. I got probably a couple of people I'm gonna help out and work with too. We're gonna get that stuff dialed in on wheels and all that, man. So y'all be able to see that. But I hate the rain. Hate the rain came, man. But it is what it is. But we did. Y'all get to see that. Y'all got to see some action, man, and all that, and get to learn a little more. So yeah, that's it. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.